Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and opening the app. Do this now so nothing blocks the flow. Once done, grant required permissions, storage and overlay let the calculator disguise files properly, and biometric keeps quick access secure. Make sure to create the hidden folder inside app settings before you hide anything. That folder is the container the app uses. If you skip this, the app can't move files. Now that setup is complete. Proceed to configure display and security options. You import the files next. Use the app's import function or share directly from your gallery so metadata stays intact. Then configure the dual mode. Set a decoy calculator PIN for casual access and a separate vault PIN or pattern for the hidden space. That split protects you during inspection. Once done, enable auto lock timeout and choose the stealth icon so the app looks like a normal calculator. Finally, record the recovery phrase in a secure place. It's your safety net if you forget the code. You access the vault by entering the vault PIN at the calculator interface. This reveals your hidden files without leaving traces. Make sure to back up the vault regularly to an encrypted cloud or export to secure storage, because app removal or device loss can otherwise mean permanent data loss. If you can't open the vault, first recheck permissions and the stealth icon status, then use the recovery phrase. As a last resort, reinstall the app and restore from backup. That sequence typically resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.